Them say laughter is the best medicine. It can cure every kind of disease, except, unfortunately, cancer and AIDS. However, tonight, I'm gonna put a smile on your face by watching a next Peanut Jet video. I tell you, it's a funny one, so you can just like the video for now. By liking the video, you're helping the channel. That's it. Let's watch and enjoy.
No. You see what happened, what I want to tell the people. Say, everything actually make off a human being body, you know, right? Yes. Now, human being, they breathe in and they blow out. Anything we're not breathing, when you die, right? So everything make off a human being. All the vehicle them, right? Good. People should know say a two-spirit human being pushing them, right? Yes. So if you don't know the bad side of people, when you see people, you must always face them with good things, right? Yeah. Don't try face them the rash way and the erratic way. It isn't good, right? Good. No. There's a man when me live a Spanish town, you know, my brethren, right? I live a homestead, you know, and the man live a what you call over Effortville, you know, right? And I don't know why make fat woman always like some little slim man, you know, right? Yeah, and both side same way, you know, the fat man them always like some little slim man. And me I say, alright, I must say so nature make it, right? Good. Shorty and this big fat mama live together in a wedding. And you see sometime when they catch up, the fat woman first him with the machete in my brethren and Shorty get covered. And I back off and kind of afraid her kind of want to go near and grab her. If she grab him, you know. I know what happened. Them a go on and pan Saturday, you know. A Shorty go market and write down where they want and send Shorty a market, you know. And you see just through every time then catch up. Fatty. A fussy man in kind of afraid of her, you know, brethren, because, you know, and my run, you know, because she first always a fussy with the machete, you know, right? Lord God. Shorty. Go market one of the Saturday, you know, and come in and come catch her asleep. Shorty said, my God, this is it now. Anyhow me wake her, anyhow me wake me know me have to go run. Cause they may have talked before he left all night morning there now. Right? Yes. Why I never see no man serious so. They not stop push out the button like me I tell you say every machine have a black button, you know, and you have a red button. And if you push the red button, you keep on turn on the machine and the machine will get, if a dangerous machine it will hurt you.
But you know, to be honest, I always, from a little boy I grew up, I always see the plus size women them with some skinny men and the fat man them with some skinny woman. Yeah, me say fat man and plus size woman. You have to be politically correct in this climate that we live in. But as Peanut Jet said, I probably saw nature set if it's true, you know. Oh my gosh. And you know what's crazy? The plus size woman is always abusive in a relationship with you. It's like a share the man because she knows that she big. No top beat the man them. That's why you see me as a maga man, me not there with nobody who me can lift up. I kid you not. Anyways, one that we spot this a story gonna turn go now.
Yeah. And he won't stop push Shorty button tell Shorty come in, come catch her asleep, you see sir. And say yes, this is it now. And no say if him wake me have to go run, you know. Shorty pan him machete in my brethren. And me said, I don't know if a moon did come up and he look like he head not so good. When he done chopping at the bed. Brother, a gloves, the Bambilans them come for body, you know. Have them have to take up the pieces out of the bed, you know. And me say shorty when he done the woman and bread in fatty, you know. The man dash. God. You don't know the man go and the man go buy half kilo rum, 2 scald egg, 1 stick of herb, half pack of cigarette, 5, and go down a one cannel and sit down. And the man drink the rum, you know, man. After the man drink the rum, the man eat the egg them. Yes. After the man eat the egg them, you know, bread in. The man smoke one of the cigarette and take one, bust one into one, then take it, adulterate the herb, you know, and make the herb and smoke it. Good. There's a man, a pastor going work and I want shortcut there now. And go see the back, go see the flask buckle, see the herb paper. When he kick the cigarette box, he feel like heavy. When he looking at it, he say 3.5. He say, wait, then I wish man come and say, come at this American making. And walk off. There was a candle there, and he see like a shed a brush in a candle. And he see when he look up, Shorty climb a tree, we hang right over the canal, and tie the rope, and jump down that nobody can go. That's how we cut him down. You know what? If we go there, go cut him down, brother. The light and power, chop them. We have one pan where you can push way up in the air, right? Them have to take and cut down Shorty, right? Good. And when me look into it now, me say, but that man sensible. Cause if you mean car, I know myself, fatty getaway. But when you yourself and car, you gone after her in the dead world, same way now when the police can't lock you up, you can't go no jail. Me no know fatty I go man. Remember him have a cutlass, you know. Right? Him have a cutlass. So the man will kill the woman and not kill himself. He might idiot. The woman get where, right? But anytime you kill yourself, she not get where. Then you wind day night, then roll you the back of him, right? So me teach people say you can't coward, right? You must be brave if you have people kill yourself too. Anyhow you go people and can't kill yourself, you're a coward man. And make we seal it there so.
I promise you, I was not laughing. I was not laughing. First off, let me say this. Violence against women. Brother, take it out to your head. It is wrong. Can't do that. It has become the norm in our society, unfortunately. And we have to break the norm, yeah? Next thing, staying in an abusive relationship. Why for that? Wrong. I know sometimes it's difficult, it's difficult to come out because you're dependent on your abuser. But get help. And being abused, sometimes you're going to get that one moment of strength and you might just snap like Shorty when the fatty. You don't want that either, whether you're a man or a woman. Anyways, as Peanut just said, if you're gonna off somebody, off yourself too. If you don't do that, you're a coward. But first of all, please don't off nobody and don't off yourself. You have to use bad things turn joke. A serious matter, but there's a joke in it. I hope a fictional story this. Anyways, pray tonight. Ask God to help you, God and protect you. And if you need help, seek help and get help. Stay safe. God bless.